How can you turn down the Ring camera notification volume on the iPhone? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here on this channel, consider subscribing because I have so many tutorials coming up and I don't want you to miss them. So, there are things you should know, like individual apps might have some of their own notification settings, but when it comes to the volume, it has to be set up through the iPhone settings app. So you get it there, scroll down a little bit until you find these sounds and haptics, and it's going to be right away showing up in here. So go there, and almost the first thing at the top of the list is the volume controller. As you can see, it's for ringtones and alerts, and it's a different because in the control center you have the volume controller for the content, like for the music and the videos and other things which you are listening to. But this is for the volume for your incoming calls, alarms, and alerts, which includes notifications and, of course, the notifications for the Ring camera as well. So this is where you can control it and specifically decide how loud it's gonna get. There is also the button to change with buttons, like the toggle there, and I would advise you to keep it turned off or choose it according to your preference. But if you don't have it enabled, it means that the physical buttons on the side of the iPhone are used to control the content volume and not the ringer volume. So if you enable the toggle, then you'll be able to control it, the ringer volume, with the actual physical buttons. So I hope it makes sense. I just try to explain it, in a quick way. So let me know what you think. Most definitely subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one.